Let's say you enter the trade as an investor and I enter the trade as a trader. This is more so just reiterating the thought process. You do it over and over and over again. Well, guess what? It becomes like breathing. Like you don't even realize you're doing it. And you're like, oh yeah, I don't freak out. Like I'm expecting it I want it to come down. I want to put more into it because right now we're at the very beginning. So let's say you investor, me trader. We both get in at the same time. So here is 50%. That is you. This is me. So we're both at 50%. And I cash out. I made some good money. Me, I'm compounding. So every time I win, I'm using that money to add to my position. You, just to keep the money the same and everything the same, every time I put in money, you're putting in money from your paycheck. Now you are the investor and it goes up. And I happen to buy in again right here. I happen to sell at 110%. And I do it again and again and again. So let's just say I entered here at the break of the level and I did this right here. I entered, let's say here, I forgot about all this, I'm busy, work, kids, whatever. And I sell it right here. Well, for me as the trader, 235. So while I'm doing all this work in and out, doing this, and you, every time you get paid, you see the dip or whatever, you put in $50, $100, whatever it is. Look at the difference between the investor, which is you, and the trader, which is me. I'm going in and out, in and out. You, on the other hand, you're treating it as a savings account, and you're just adding to your trades on the dips. I only made 236 or 235%, which is good, but I put a lot of work. I'm monitoring it. I have alerts. I'm looking at all these different indicators. I'm listening to YouTubers. I'm following the project. I'm doing everything. The investor, you, 770%. While the trader, which would be me in this case, I got 235. This is what I'm teaching the group. This is where the life-changing money comes. Now, if you enter a trade and you go 100% within a couple of days or 80%, sure, what you could do is sell 50% of it, keep the rest in there, because where you enter determines on your percentage. So let's say it goes up 80%, 100% in a few days, like really nice gains. Sell 50% and then wait for it to retrace. Then once it retraces, get that money you just cashed out and you can add to it so you have more coins. And then of course it can be going up. Or you can use that money to get into another coin. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.